This is the software required for the tutorial. First, we'll need Unity Hub. To get that, go to unity.com, go up to Resources, and click on Download Unity. Here we can download the Unity Hub. Once that's downloaded and installed, you'll get a window like this when you open it. This is Unity Hub. You can see here I've got my projects. So these are previous projects, and I've also got installs. For the purposes of this tutorial, we're going to need a particular version of Unity. So the way you find it is you go to Install Editor, then click on Archive. In here you'll find a link to the download archive. This will open up in a browser window, and the version we want is 2021, and then we need version 3.21, which is here. Once you've found it, click on Unity Hub here to open it via the hub. Now, one thing we're going to need is the WebGL. So tick WebGL build support. That will allow you to view what you make through a browser. Click Continue. And install. The other thing we're going to be using is Spatial. Spatial is a metaverse site, so you can create your world using Unity and then upload it to Spatial. So go to spatial.io, spatial.io, and sign up for there. This will allow us to view and share the work done during the tutorial.